Ever wondered how to scale your business effortlessly? If you have, then you're in the right place. In today's digital age, business growth is synonymous with how well you can leverage online tools. And one such tool that's making waves is Beacons.ai. Let me give you a quick rundown. Beacons.ai is a game-changing tool that helps businesses like yours scale up and expand their digital reach. It does this by creating an interactive space where all your online content can live in harmony. We're talking social media links, e-commerce platforms, blogs, you name it. Throughout this video, we'll be diving into the nuts and bolts of Beacons.ai. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to customizing your page and linking your social media. Plus, we'll explore some additional features that can give your business that extra edge. In the next few minutes, you'll be a pro at using Beacons.ai to scale your business. So buckle up and let's get started. Scene script. First things first, let's get you set up on Beacons.ai. Picture this, you're about to embark on a journey, a digital journey, that's going to change the way you do business online. But where do you start? Right here, my friend, right here at Beacons.ai. Setting up an account on Beacons.ai is as easy as pie, and I'm not talking about the math kind. From the home page, just click on the sign up button. It's usually in the top right corner, can't miss it. This will take you to the registration page. Now you'll need to enter some basic information. Your full name, a valid email address, and a password. Make sure that password is strong, like spinach made Popeye strong. You wouldn't want someone else tinkering with your account now, would you? Once you've filled in all the necessary details, just hit Create Account. Voila! You're now a proud owner of a shiny new Beacons.ai account. But wait, there's more. You'll be prompted to verify your email address. Just head over to your inbox, find the email from Beacons.ai, and click on the verification link. This is just an extra layer of security to ensure that it's really you. Back on Beacons.ai, you'll be welcomed by a clean, user-friendly dashboard. This is where the magic happens. But don't worry, you don't need to be a wizard to navigate it. Everything is labeled clearly and intuitively. There's even a help button if you need some guidance. Now I know what you're thinking. What's next? Well, you're in luck. Beacons.ai offers a quick tutorial to help you get acquainted with the platform. I highly recommend taking advantage of this feature. It's like a guided tour of your new digital home. So you see, setting up your Beacons.ai account is a piece of cake. It's straightforward, easy, and quick. Now that you have your account, it's time to explore the features of Beacons.ai. Let's dive in, shall we? The magic begins here, customizing your Beacons.ai page to fit your brand. This is where you get to flex your creative muscles and make your page a true reflection of your business. First off, let's talk about the color scheme. Beacons.ai offers a plethora of colors to choose from, so you can select those that are in line with your brand's identity. Whether you're all about the cool blues, the fiery reds, or the calming greens, Beacons.ai has got you covered. You can even add a bit of a gradient if you're feeling extra artistic. Next, let's discuss the profile picture. This is your chance to showcase your brand's logo or any image that best represents your business. Make sure it's a high-quality image that's clear and visually appealing. Remember, this is often the first thing your audience will see, so make it count. Now, let's move on to the bio. This is where you get to tell your brand story in a nutshell. Keep it concise, engaging, and don't forget to infuse it with your brand's personality. Whether you're a startup that's all about tech innovation or a lifestyle brand promoting sustainable living, your bio should encapsulate what you're all about. And don't worry if you're not a wordsmith, Beacons.ai offers helpful prompts to get you started. But remember, your bio is not set in stone. As your brand evolves, so should your bio. Keep it updated and relevant. Lastly, don't forget to preview your page. This will give you a chance to see how everything comes together and make any necessary tweaks. In this customization process, remember that consistency is key. Your Beacons.ai page should echo your brand's identity in every way. From the color scheme, to the profile picture, to the bio, everything should be in harmony. With your page now looking snazzy and brand aligned, let's move to the next step. Now let's connect your social media platforms to your Beacons.ai page. So you've created your Beacons.ai page and customized it to your liking. But it's not all about looks, is it? It's about making connections, reaching out to your audience, and creating a hub where they can find everything about you in one place. That's what we're going to do now. First, you'll want to go to your Beacons.ai dashboard. There, you'll find the Add button option. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu filled with all the popular social media platforms you can link to. We're talking Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even TikTok. If you can't find your platform, don't worry. You can add a custom link to any online platform you want. Next, you'll input your social media handle or URL. Make sure it's correct. We don't want your audience ending up on some random person's cat pictures. Unless, of course, you're all about cat pictures. In that case, carry on. Once you've added all your social media accounts, you can arrange them in any order you want. Maybe you want your Instagram up top because it's your most active platform. Or perhaps you want your LinkedIn first because you're all about that professional life. It's your page, you make the call, and just like that, you've created a one-stop shop for your audience to find all your social media platforms. But why is this so important? Well, imagine you're at a networking event. You wouldn't give out separate business cards for each of your social media accounts, would you? No, you'd have one card with all your information on it. That's what your Beacons.ai page is, a digital business card for the modern age. So to recap, linking your social media platforms to your Beacons.ai page is as simple as clicking Add button, selecting your platform, and inputting your handle or URL. It's quick, it's easy, and it's going to make your online presence that much stronger. Now your audience can find all your social media platforms in one place. Isn't that convenient? Scene script. Beacons.ai has more to offer. Let's dive into some additional features. Now, you've got your account set up, your page customized, and your social media linked. But Beacons.ai is not just about managing links. It's a comprehensive tool designed to help you optimize your online presence and scale your business. So let's explore a few other features that can give you an edge. First up, email capture. Now, you might be thinking, email in this age of social media? Well, don't underestimate the power of a well-curated email list. With Beacons.ai, you can seamlessly collect email addresses from your visitors, allowing you to build relationships and engage with your audience on a more personal level. It's a classic tool, but it still packs a punch. Next on the list, e-commerce integration. If you're selling products or services, this feature is a game changer. Beacons.ai allows you to link directly to your online store, be it on Shopify, Etsy, or any other platform. This way, your audience can move straight from your content to your products, reducing the number of steps in the customer journey and potentially increasing sales. It's about making things smooth and easy for your audience, and this feature does just that. Last but not least, analytics. In the world of digital marketing, data is king. Beacons.ai provides insightful analytics, helping you understand your audience better. You can see which links are getting the most clicks, where your traffic is coming from, and more. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals what's working and what's not. This way you can tweak your strategy, focus on what's effective, and ultimately grow your business. So there you have it. Email capture for building relationships, e-commerce integration for seamless shopping experiences, and analytics for strategic insights. These features are just as important as your links, and they can truly take your online presence to the next level. With these additional features, Beacons.ai isn't just a one-trick pony, right? All right, we've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap. We kicked off with an introduction to Beacons.ai, a platform designed to simplify your online presence and boost your business. We then dove into setting up your Beacons.ai account, where we discussed the simplicity and efficiency of the process. Next, we talked about customizing your Beacons.ai page to reflect your brand personality and connect with your audience. We also covered how to link your social media on Beacons.ai, bringing together all your platforms under one digital roof. Finally, we explored the additional features of Beacons.ai, such as the ability to sell products, book appointments, and gather donations, all from your Beacons.ai page. Remember, Beacons.ai isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It consolidates your digital footprint, amplifies your reach, and ultimately scales your business. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level with Beacons.ai? Go ahead, give it a try.